Hi there. Welcome to your guided exploration of sadness with Fiamma's My Happy Mess. In this sound wave, you will learn a simple exercise using vocal sounds to tackle and embrace the effects of sadness. Keep a notebook handy to write down any thoughts and feelings that may come up in your exploration. Also, it's recommended to use headphones. Relax and take a moment to prepare as we're about to begin. Reaching the depth of sadness can bring us closer in touch with what is most meaningful in our lives. When life doesn't unfold the way we had planned, we can feel disappointed and even helpless. But even loss and sorrow are essential guides for us to recognize what we truly value. Sadness is a natural emotion that may come to pass as a way of honoring the sentiment and gravity of impact that critical situations may present. Understanding the poignant nature of sadness can help us as a way to recognize and resolve the difficulty and discomfort. We all experience sadness in our lives, and it can often be viewed as an emotion we should avoid encountering. Energy levels can be low when we're sad, and this can affect our physical health. But to deny sadness is to deny a natural process of acceptance and transformation. The beauty of sadness is not in its indulgence, but in its recognition. It's natural to want to taste our melancholic tears, but through seeking solace and receiving support, we find comfort and hope. One effective way to focus the mind is to practice a positive affirmation. I honor and embrace this passing sadness. I honor and embrace this passing sadness. I honor and embrace this passing sadness. Music is a powerful, energetic means to be with emotions. Humming a beautiful song can be a moving and transformative way to embrace and find the energy within to let go of sadness. For the next few moments, find yourself in a comfortable position as we prepare to work with sounds which relate to moving through the emotions. For this time, I'll give you the instructions for you to listen to, and then we can do the exercise together. We'll be working with the sound ooh. We'll start by taking a deep breath into the lower belly. Starting on any comfortable pitch for you, we will slide up to the note above the one we started on. We'll do this for the length of an out breath. Let's listen to what this exercise will sound like. Okay, let's try this together. Inhale. As we produce the sound ooh, imagine the sound flowing freely through your body. Inhale. Embracing the depth of the emotion carried through the sound, let it wash over you. Inhale. Allow the sound to energize your mind and body. Inhale. And now for the last round, focusing the sound on the horizon ahead. Inhale. Journaling, which is a process of reflective writing, can be an effective way of understanding your thoughts more clearly. Take a moment to jot down any reflections and thoughts that may arise when thinking about how often you experience sadness. What areas in your life in particular do you feel could benefit from some support? Are you able to recognize a support system in your life? Or identify by what means you find the energy to feel comforted and move through sad moments? Unexpressed and unresolved sadness can lead to seeking comfort and support in areas that may feed the emotion rather than resolve it. In some situations, this can lead us onto a path of a more depressive nature. Understanding that sadness is temporary can be a helpful tool when feeling low. A listening ear, a comforting hug, or a shoulder to cry on is often all we need to lift us through a spell of sadness. Having been heard and coming into an equal space with sadness, we can now more easily reflect and gain a new perspective to focus on the horizon ahead. Remembering our positive thought, I honor and embrace this passing sadness. I honor and embrace this passing sadness. I honor and embrace this passing sadness. Please continue your practice with us at Fiamma's My Happy Mess. Thank you for joining me. Take care for now. Goodbye.